Ho, ho, ho! Hey, Big M here with some exciting news from Big M Transportation. Santa has made 25, the ending going out great. 26 is even going to be greater. Got some exciting news for you, the solo driver. Hey, beginning with loads delivered January the 4th. Remember that. A Big M increase for solo drivers, a Big M increase in pay for solo drivers, 10% plus based on your tenure with the company. That's how long you've been with the company. We're going to give you an increase. Hey, you will be getting contacted by a Big M representative on your new pay scale. So, hey, look forward to that call. You'll be getting called sometime today or tomorrow. So wait on that call, and I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas at Big M and with their families. Hey, Merry Christmas and ho, ho, ho. Roll on, Big M.